Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So today's vlog, I'm going to be doing a DIY makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be sitting down and then I'm going to be showing you how I do my makeup when I'm like going out, or it could even be church, it could be a party, whatever it is. Okay, so I'm gonna be the first thing you'd want to do is you wipe your face. So right now I have no makeup on. I just have my face clean, so we don't have to do that. But if you think that's what you want to do, that's a first tip. So if you want to wipe your face with any makeup or anything like that, you can do that. But because there's no makeup, we can get right started to the video. So today I'm going to be doing my eyes using the MAC eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to be using MAC eyeliner. I don't know if you guys can see, but it says MAC on there. Okay, all right, so let's get started. Show you how I put on makeup. This is the first time I'm actually doing this, so I'm gonna turn it to the side and hold on, let me pause for 2 seconds. Sorry guys, hi, I'm back. So I had to move a while ago. So here I go. I'm going to start. Let me use this mirror because I cannot film. I'm gonna put this mirror in front of me, and then I'm gonna show you what I do. So basically I have this mirror in front of me. So I have this mirror beside me, so I'm going to be showing you what I do. So I basically go right there on the eye, and you just, not to put too much, you just go right there on the eye. Okay, if there's any mistakes, you can wipe. And this is the problem, my eye starts to watery. Now when it comes to like doing a wing, the wings are like the hardest part. So you want to go like this, and that is your wing. Okay, just like that. You don't have to do like a big wing, because this is how I do my makeup. And the same with this eye. The reason why I do my eye first, because I get watery, and then again you can go back, do another touch up, and then you do the wing. And I'm not really good at making wings, but that's how it looks. Same with this side. This one I can glue another touch to this. And then voila. Now I can do bottom. I used to be so scared to do the bottom because my eyes watery, and I'm not so good. It's been so long. See, this is the part that makes me watery. And then the same with this side. And like I said, you don't have to do it great because I'm not perfect. So this is how it looks. This part and the bottom right there. Okay, it's not 100% the best, but you know, you can go back, you can wipe it. If you feel like it's not good, you can give it a nice little like wipe. If you feel like the makeup is not good. It looks like I'm crying right now, but yeah, that is how I do my makeup. Now I'm going to be doing foundation. So let me pause and do foundation. Hello. Alright, so the next foundation is Maybelline New York. It's soft foundation, hydration foundation. So I'm going to be using some. This is what I do on a daily basis. So right now I have my beauty blender. This is from Shein. If you guys want to get beauty blender, you can go get some. So I'm basically putting some right about that. So this is how much. You guys see? This is how much I'm putting. And then I'm going to show you how you put on foundation. So right now, I'm so sorry for this bad lighting. Right now, this is kind of bright for my skin. So I'm basically rubbing all the foundation. Let me do this on my mirror. I'm basically wiping and blending it to my skin, because this is lighter than my own skin tone. So any skin tone can use this, and anybody can use MAC. Okay, so I will write MAC for you. And when it comes to putting on makeup, I don't put a lot of makeup on my skin. I don't like putting a lot of makeup, and it's not, if it doesn't blend with your skin, then what's the sense of putting makeup on your skin? You know it's not good. And if you guys want these, I will put the name. I don't really have a website for these, but I'll put the name for you guys so you guys can go and check. Again, I'm using my mirror. The lighting is not great, but I don't know. Let me see if I can fix this lighting. Let me know if you all can see now. Okay. Let me do it on the mirror. I can kind of see what I'm doing on the mirror, then use the laptop here. But I can't really see when it's, because the lighting is not great and I can't do anything to that. Well, I can fix the lighting in a minute. Let me pause. Let's see what I can do. You just wipe this off. So I'm wiping the top of my head because I still have foundation on my skin. And you make sure when you do have this makeup on, make sure you do wash this off, because like I said, you don't want to get any infection or anything to your skin. So make sure you do wash it off, okay? And alright, so we got a little thing. Let me know if you guys can see me okay, but I just know the lighting is so off, so I wanna change my lighting. So let me pause for 2 seconds. I think this should be more better now. I'm so sorry, the lighting was just off before. So right now I just put some of this hydration on my skin, and so far I'm still wiping it off, and I could show you how well I did. Okay, so right now I can just kind of look at how I did. So I'm gonna look at myself. It doesn't look that bad. Guys, I'm actually recording on my phone. It doesn't look that bad at all. Like, that's so good. Guys, let me show you a little video I just did. Guys, I'm actually recording on my phone. It doesn't look that bad at all. Like, that's so good. Yes, guys, so that is my foundation. Now I'm going to put, let's say for example, you want to put a little design. You can put like a little dot right there. I'm so bad. That's your little, that's your dot. I don't know if you could see it, but that's a little dot. Okay, if you want to do like a little design. Now when it comes to putting on lipstick, right now I use lipstick, but I'm gonna be using True Lip. This is the eyeliner. This is a lip eyeliner. It's called True Lips. Okay, I may have showed these in a vlog before. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this on my lip, and then I'm gonna use a Vaseline just to make it nice. So all I do is I'm just gonna work it on my lip like this, and then the same with this. Okay, now I'm gonna put some Vaseline on my lip right now. So this is what I do. I have some Vaseline on my lip, and I'm gonna put some. You want to make it more shiny instead of bright, you can do that. I usually do this with lipstick, but this was way prettier. And if you wanna do a little wipe, you could. Like if you wanna like fix it up. Okay. So that is it. This is my DIY makeup tutorial, sitting down, my first time putting on makeup for you guys. Comment down below how I did. I look so scary. It looks so scary, but I think because of the lip pencil with the Vaseline, it's not bad. It actually blends with my skin. And the little dot I did right there, you know, could have been better. And if you want every makeup tutorial, let me see what I have. Every makeup tutorial, what I usually do, if you want, you can comb your eyebrows. This is just a brush basically, and I'm just combing my eyebrows, looking to make them look cuter. And then if you want your eyebrows to grow, you guys can use this eye clipper, and you just clip it, and there we go. So that is it. This is my DIY makeup tutorial sitting down video. I hope you guys enjoy. This is how I look. Okay, I actually took a picture of myself, so if you want to see, where is it? Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, it's not the best, but you know, because of the lighting, I guess. But yeah, I like it. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here, and stay tuned for my next vlog. Bye. Oh yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social medias, and stay tuned for my tomorrow's vlog. Bye.